Hi everyone, welcome to SwiftLearn. Today I will be explaining you how to log in and join SwiftLearn classes through laptop, phone or tablet. Android users can download SwiftLearn application through Play Store and iOS user can log in through the browser. When you open the website of SwiftLearn, it will ask you for register login. In login sign up option, you have to select your country code and enter your registered mobile number and click on send OTP option. A 4-digit OTP will be sent on your registered mobile number. You have to enter the 4-digit OTP number over here and click on login option. And you will be logged into your profile. Once you're logged into the profile, this icon is to edit the profile. You can click on that and you can click on the edit option. Just scroll down and from here, we can set up the time zone and your classes will be visible as per your time zone. Once you scroll down, from here we can set the password so that every time you don't have to wait for the OTP. We can simply log in with the registered number and password. You can join all your live classes by clicking on upcoming live class option. Here you can see all your class details like on which date is your class, what topic will be taught in class, what is your class timing. All the details has been updated here. Just 5 minutes before your class starts, this enrolled option will be converted into join now. You have to click on join now and you'll be connected to the classes. In case of any emergency, you can reschedule your classes as well by clicking on this option. My homework. In my homework, there are two options, to do and done. When a homework is assigned to you in class by your teacher, it would be reflecting under to do option. And once you submit the homework, it comes under done option. From here, you can see your report and from here, you can view your answer key. My past classes. All the classes over here gets recorded. So if you want to see the recording of the previous class, you can click on learn more option. And from here, you can see the class recording. And by clicking here, you can see the class notes. Test yourself. Here, both practice test and mock test are given of all the subjects in both objective and subjective form for your practice and knowledge. Progress report. From progress report, you can check your report card, your attendance, homework performance, test performance, and overall remarks given by the teacher. Leaderboard. From here, you can check your ranking comparing with other students who are studying in SwiftLearn. SwiftLearn Interact. In SwiftLearn Interact, you can do the conceptual based learning. My schedule. My schedule is the timetable in which you can check what teacher will be teaching you in the entire month. My subscription. In my subscription, you can check for which subject you have enrolled for as well as your class credits. And if you want to schedule a trial class for any other subject, you can click on schedule a trial class option. From here, you can select the subject, select your preferred date and time, and accordingly, you can book a free trial class. If you face any problem in future, you can click on the support option. Here we have given both our hotline calling and central WhatsApp number. So in future, if you have any doubt, any query, you can click on the support option and you can contact us. Thank you for joining SwiftLearn. Happy learning.